In 1999, Marshall Bruce Mathers III declared,
My name is Slim Shady.
the Slim Shady was a demonic entity that he met in a public restroom that became the vehicle for his success.
Name changes in the Bible indicate a substantial shift in character. Abram became Abraham, Jacob became Israel, Naomi became Mara, Saul became Paul. Even in marriage, a wife changes her name. Proverbs 30 verse 4 asks,
Who hath ascended up into heaven, or descended? What is his name? And what is his son's name, if thou canst tell?
The archangel Michael, meaning who is like God, stepped down from his throne and without losing his divinity became Jesus Christ, meaning the Messiah. Satan, the adversary and accuser, was the angel Lucifer, meaning the light bearer. Dr. Dre not only produced the song The Watcher, which means angel, but also what's the difference between you and me? The very question Satan asked concerning Jesus before his rebellion.
Don't receive the mark, the name of the beast, or the number of his name that grants you eternal death. Get baptized in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit to cultivate and bear a character that will ensure your passage into heaven, where Revelation says, we all will receive a new name.